Have you ever thought that you knew what something was, but then when you started to dig deeper, you realized that something was much more than what you had perceived historically? Well, today we're going to talk about Zoho. We're going to talk about HubSpot. We're going to talk about a new update. Hey, you know what time it is. Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk. That's right. There's a new connect with Zoho Reports integration. Now, when I first saw this come across the HubSpot updates, I was like, Zoho, a CRM, and HubSpot, CRM, and now we can do reports and integration. But then I started doing some digging and realized, oh my gosh, there's a little bit more to this. So most of you know that Zoho is a CRM, and if you go to their website, it talks about how Zoho has everything you need to boost sales, step up productivity, and manage all day-to-day activities. It talks about CRM, multi-channel CRM software. But in this integration, in this update, HubSpot talks about the CRM, but it also talks about workplace, finance, and IT. And I was like, what the heck are we talking about? But if you start to dig a little bit deeper, you realize, and maybe you do realize, and probably you're watching this because you already realized a while ago, workplace, create, collaborate, communicate, all the tools you will ever need to create, collaborate, and communicate with your teams in one integrated suite of apps, Zoho Workplace. Get a complete suite of cloud applications starting at $2 a user per month. Oh my gosh. And then we can go over to what is Finance Plus, introducing Zoho Finance Plus, a unified platform for all your back office needs, from invoicing to order management to accounting. Zoho Finance Plus has all the tools you need to streamline all of your back office operations. By the way, I love the fact that they're messaging in all of these so far, all the tools you need, because we all need tools. And hopefully we can use less tools. That's why I love HubSpot. It's like all the tools in one login. But last but not least, it talks about Zoho IT. Didn't even know it was a thing. IT management from the cloud, from a supercharged help desk to optimize operations. We help you align IT to your business. The graphics on the website are super cool. Support your end users, empower technicians, IT help desk management, manage your IT tickets, problems, changes, and assets from a single console to ensure availability and keep your business running. Sign up for free is on that page. Anyway, the integration, what does the integration enable? The Zoho Reports integration creates custom, mobile-friendly, like that. Did you see that? Custom and mobile-friendly reports based on your HubSpot data. Simply use the drag and drop tool to easily and quickly create a custom report that suits your needs. How you might use this as a salesperson? Well, it helps you keep track of all your metrics, because inside of the Zoho reporting, there are 60 plus reports and dashboards. You can also create your own reports to track your sales pipeline, visualize your sales conversion funnels, and measure sales teams' performance and more, all seamlessly powered off of your HubSpot data. So you're taking your HubSpot, you're putting it into Zoho Reports. It's almost like HubSpot Reports add-on, Zoho Reports. I don't know. You have to check it out. You'll have to look under the hood. But who gets it? This integration is free for HubSpot customers who also have Zoho Reports. Pricing and sign-up information can be found for Zoho Reports on their website. To get started, I'll put a link in the description below for the actual article of this launch. It's now live, or else I wouldn't be talking about it, in all languages. You might want to check it out if you're a sales professional, sales manager, and want to track and be able to report on the data that you're getting in HubSpot right now. Hey, do you like these tutorials, these updates, these interviews? I know I sure do. They're fun as heck to create. If you do, make sure you go over to sprockettalk.com/FB. That'll take you right to our private Facebook group where we can carry on the conversation. Also, you can head over to our Facebook page, our YouTube channel, where you can hit subscribe and the bell. And one of the most popular places is the video and audio podcast on iTunes. Make sure you leave a rating and review. You you can watch or listen on the go, because we know that you're all busy marketers. Hey, do you need training past these tutorials, past these updates? That's what we do. 1 and 2 day workshops as well as weekly trainings. Make sure you understand what you can do. Make sure you're understanding your data. Make sure you're focused on reporting so that you can make smart decisions in the future. And while you're making smart decisions, go out into the world and do some happy HubSpotting.